DJ dreams go beyond.
New vacancy in the UAE. QC Inspector Civil. We are looking for an experienced civil QC inspector to join our team for villa and tower building projects in the UAE. The ideal candidate will be responsible for implementing quality control procedures, conducting inspections, and ensuring that all construction works meet the required standards, specifications, and project requirements. Requirements: bachelor's degree or diploma in civil Eng. 5 to 7 years of UAE experience in civil building construction projects. Villa and tower projects experience is mandatory. Strong knowledge of quality control procedures, construction standards, and site inspection activities. Requirements: ability to ensure compliance with project specifications and quality requirements. Candidate must available in the UAE. How to apply? Interested candidates meeting the above criteria are invited to send their updated CV to anisha.jayan@alrawabit.com or hr@alrawabit.com. Subject line: Civil QC Inspector. Subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new job vacancies.